What's up guys, a new update just dropped for Nintendo Alarmo, finally adding the long-awaited sounds from Animal Crossing New Horizons, so I thought we'd check it out. This update took about 7 minutes and now it should be all ready to go. We've got 7 tracks and the shuffle all button this time. Each track spotlights a different New Horizons character too. They are number 1, Group Stretching with Isabelle, number 2, Going Places with Dodo Airlines, number 3, Morning Coffee with Brewster, number 4, Fishing Journey Fun with CJ, number 5, Dreaming of KK Slider, number 6, Grand Opening Ceremony with Tom Nook, and number 7, The Rescue Service with Mr. Rossetti. And here's what they sound like. And don't forget, with the 3.0 update a few months back, we can preview the sounds without having to set an alarm each time. But I just set alarms to hear them in full. And here's what the hourly chime sounds like. And by much demand, here are the sleepy sounds. So yeah, that's all for the latest Alarmo update. If you like Alarmo or all things Nintendo and want to see more updates, check out the rest of my channel as I'll be sure to cover any future updates we get. And with all that, I'll see you next time.